There are tons of young startups out there who are working hard to grow their business like we are here at Driftline. But how many of them are willing to peel back the curtains to show the minutia involved to make it happen? Would it be interesting to know what it takes? Well, as many of you all know, Driftline is a two-person team operating out of a home in San Diego. Yes, it is actually floor-to-ceiling inventory. It's crazy in there. And what we like to do is really give people the inside scoop on the trials, the tribulations, and the risks and rewards of taking a big leap of faith in yourself and investing in a true passion project like this. And we've kind of applied this open door mindset towards many aspects of our business. And we really like to think it's paying off. And one area where we think that's especially true is when it comes to our customer success. That's a component of business that's been quite interesting to manage while scaling upwards. So a lot of people ask us, who handles it? How do you guys manage when it's just two people on your staff? Well, one of the most important things that Wes and I decided when we started this business was to allow each other to live in our own lanes, meaning that we trust each other to lead on certain aspects of the business that we individually have expertise on. Sure, we might cross-step our way across the longboard, so to speak, into each other's lanes here and there, but ultimately this really works for us and it gives us the breathing room to focus on what we excel at most. And in our case, customer success happens to be in my lane. That's something that I actually have plenty of experience in from a past corporate life, making 40 plus calls a day, you name it. But the cool thing is that I've been able to apply that towards the well over 200 messages we're getting a month that we get from our incredible customers, you guys. It's exchanges, returns, feedback, questions, a rare complaint here or there, and plenty of compliments, which we really love hearing. So one thing that we decided was to make our approach similar to the concept of shaping a surfboard. Now, a shaper's goal is to create long, smooth rails and eliminate bumps along the surface of the board. But instead of using planers and sanding pads to smooth out the rigid corners, we use our brand voice, our honesty, and we really make sure that we're going the extra mile to make things perfect when it's just two of us on hand to handle that stuff. For example, did your package get lost in transit? We'll go ahead and glass your board for free, and we will personally call USPS to find out the details, submit a claim, and get that fixed up. Did you order the wrong size? All emails go directly to me, one of the co-founders, and get a personalized response to you. And did we even just straight up F up your order? Write me to vent, we'll make it right without question, and we'll make sure that we're finding a solution for you guys. So by connecting truthfully, assuredly, and quickly to ensure every message we get, we've been able to give you guys a glimpse into who we are as people. It's really helped us find that balance that allows us to drive home the intention of our brand at Driftline, while also remembering that we've shaped these products for you guys, our customers. But nice thing is, things are rolling. We freaking love the process. It's been so amazing to learn. Stay tuned as we continue to share more on how to divide and conquer during brand growth. Again, we love peeling back those curtains and showing you guys how everything works, all in the midst of a global pandemic.